I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you suspect any unusual activity on your Klarna account, it is important to report it immediately. Here is how you can do that in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Help Center. Tap on the Help section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will direct you to the Help Center where you can find support options. Step 3. Select Report a Problem. In the Help Center, look for the option that says Report a Problem or Report Suspicious Activity. This will guide you through the reporting process. Step 4. Fill out the report form. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you see a charge you didn't make, include the transaction date and amount for clarity. Step 5. Submit and monitor. After filling out the form, hit the Submit button. Keep an eye on your email for any updates from Klarna regarding your report. If you follow these steps, you can quickly report any suspicious activity and keep your Klarna account secure. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.